Are you ready for change? Sit down, relax, fasten your seatbelt.
Take a journey with us, the Barbados Government Information Service, to our new reality. We have something to show you in this new frontier. Today, the BGIS launches our new logo. Are you ready? Let's go.
I'm Sharon Lynch, Chief Information Officer of the Barbados Government Information Service. Our department was established in 1958 with one information officer and a typist to assist. Its mandate: to inform and educate the public regarding government and its activities. The tools at its disposal were notepads, pens, and typewriters. The government film unit also prepared audiovisual material that was transmitted to citizens via the mobile cinema, venturing into communities to ensure that Barbadians of all walks of life received the vital information they needed. We've come a long way since that time, but BGIS has always sought to use every means at its disposal to communicate government's messages. And as technology has rapidly advanced over the years, we have remained committed to keeping abreast of the latest communication trends and techniques, determined to disseminate accurate information to our main stakeholders, that is, you, the general public, and the news media, in a timely manner. The launch of our new logo symbolizes our determination to remain current, modern, and focused on our mandate. On behalf of the management and staff of the BGIS, I wish to thank you for your continued support, whether by tuning into our radio and television programming, viewing the material in the daily newspapers or posted on our website, or following us on our social media platforms. As you navigate an oftentimes busy and confusing information highway, the Barbados Government Information Service will seek to remain a trusted source of credible public information to guide you on your journey.
We're approaching the first stop in this voyage, the BGIS's new logo. It's the first change since the logo was designed in 1981.
Please prepare. We are coming in for landing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have a landing.
The new BGIS logo incorporates the word information, where the I is at the center. This balances two important parts of government communication. One, the gathering of national information that benefits you, the citizen. And two, that the delivery of information is clear and meets the needs of you, the individual. Our new BGIS logo now illustrates these two key concepts. This expedition is not over. It's time to set course for the site of our new BGIS Alert app. But before we get there, we need your assistance. Can you help us test the BGIS Alert app before the journey? If you're interested, go to gisbarbados.gov.bb/BGIS Alert App Tester and sign up. We appreciate your participation. It will help us on the second part of the journey, the launch of the BGIS Alert app. Keep traveling with us. See you next week. Same time and location.